Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 3. I can't believe it. I cannot believe that. Day number 3, week 2, spring 2026 of our journey together. That's day number 3 rather, week 2, spring 2026 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight. It's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. And so today we're going to be looking at introduction to ratios. I'm sure all of you have at least heard of the term ratios and probably have even done a lot of questions on ratios. So that's good. And so we're going to build on that. We're going to set a good foundation. We're going to build on that and see more and more questions. They're going to become more and more interesting. But once you have a good foundation, you will be able to do it very, 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 very well. All right. So let's go ahead and head up properly. Because first asked, Mr. Petit, what is the topic? So let's head up properly. So my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the 21st of January, 2026. The topic is, well, the subject rather, is mathematics. And the topic is introduction to ratios. Now, when you hear the word ratio, what comes to your mind? What do you think about?
Fractions?
Fractions. Okay, that's a good answer. That's a very good answer. Anyone else? When you had a word ratio, what do you think about?
A number to another number.
A number to another number. Very good, Dominique. Anyone else? When you have the word ratio, what comes to your mind? So a ratio, right, is basically a comparison. So that's a good way to think about a ratio. It's a comparison. It compares one thing with reference to another. Now, when it comes to ratio, do you think that order matters? Do you think that the order and where you put it matters? Or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Logan says
Yes,
yes.
it does.
It does. Does the order matter in ratio?
It does.
Or I
Yes,
just
sir. Yes, sir.
yes. Yes, order does matter a lot in ratio. So we have to make sure that when we are writing our ratios, we keep everything in proper order. All right, so let's go ahead and begin with the objectives. You do not have to write the objectives down. Do not write the objectives down. It's too long. I can tell you when to write. Okay, so go ahead, China, read the objectives to me, please.
At the end of this lesson, students should be able to define, number one, define a ratio. Number two, represent ratios in 3 different ways. Number 3, understand the difference between 2 main types of ratios. Number 4, simplify ratios using the HCF. Number 5, define equivalent ratios. Number 6, create a simplified ratios based on visual images.
Very good. So let's begin with the definition of a ratio. So let's go ahead and define it. So you can write this down. So a ratio is a comparison. So definitely write this down. So a ratio is a comparison between 2 quantities. That's what a ratio is, right? So we're comparing 2 quantities. So a ratio tells us how one thing, all right, let me use a different color. So a ratio tells us how one thing is going to be compared to another thing, right? So can someone tell me why is this ratio 3-to-1? Why is this ratio 3-to-1?
There are 3
Because
blue
there are
squares and 1
three
yellow
squares
square.
and one yellow square.
Very good. Very good. It's because we have 3 blocks, 3 blue blocks, and then we have 1 yellow square. So we write 3, 2, 1. All right? Go ahead.
Can you go back to the previous slide so I can take a picture, please?
This is the first slide. This is literally our first slide. I mean, we head up and everything, but that's about it. That's about it. Yeah. The other one was just objectives. You don't have to write down objectives. Yeah. So, okay. So this is saying 3-to-1. So what does that mean? This means that there are 3 blue squares to 1 yellow square. Now, what if I change it, right? What if I change it? If I change it to 1 to 3, right? If I change it to 1 to 3, does this say the same thing or it says something
No,
different?
it means there's one blue square and 3 yellow squares.
Very good. There's 1 yellow square to 3 blue squares. So if you switch it up, right? If you switch up the arrangement, then it's saying something different. So just know that order doesn't matter. All right? Order doesn't matter. If you don't have it in the right order, then it's gonna say something different. All right. So go ahead, Acacia, read the definition of ratio. As Acacia. Acacia, are you there? Can't really hear from Acacia. Oh, Acacia and alphanic. My bad, alphanic. Go ahead, alphanic. Read the definition of a ratio.
A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. A ratio says how much of one thing there is compared to another thing. There are 3 to 1. There are 3 blue squares to 1 yellow square.
Very good. Anamari, what does the ratio 1 to 3 say? Like, what does that mean? The ratio 1 to 3. What does that mean?
Can you repeat the question?
If I have the ratio 1 to 3, so here we have 3 to 1. But if I have the ratio 1 to 3, what does that mean? What does that tell me?
There is 1 yellow square compared to 3 blue squares.
Very good. So we switch the order. So if you're saying 3 to 1, 3 means that there are 3 blue squares to 1 yellow square. But if you say 1 to 3, you're telling me that there's 1 yellow square to 3 blue squares. And that's the idea right there. All right. Y'all have this written down before I move on to the next slide?
Yes,
Y'all have
sir.
this? Okay, good. All right, so take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And we can move on from there. I need everyone to send. Y'all finish writing this down? Let me know. If so, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp.
As soon as I done, I can send it.
No problem. So a ratio compares two things, one thing compared to the other, and remember that order does matter. Thank you, Jamari. Thank you, Leslie. Thank you, Andisha. Thank you, Irvin. Thank you, D'Angelo. And Renaj, very good, Renaj. Kevinik, very good. The rest of us, I need to see your notes. Ajani, where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? That's Ajani. Can't really hear from Ajani. So how about Andrew? Andrew Gibson, have you already sent in your work? Where's Andrew? Andrew Gibson, you sent your work yet?
I sent it just now.
That's good. And you understand so far the ratio definition?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay, so good. So let's go on to the next thing. So ready to find ratios, right? No problem, Latavia. So ready to find ratios. So let's talk about the next thing that's on the agenda, which then we have to go ahead and talk about the next part, right? So the next part is we want to talk about different ways in which we could represent ratios. All right. So what are the different ways that you know that we could represent a ratio? What are different ways that you know that we could represent? Percentage. We don't really use percentage for ratios. Anyone else?
Can you do it in a fraction?
Very good. We could use it a
Fraction.
fraction. We could okay, so we could represent it as a fraction. What else?
I'm not sure, but is it Desmond's too?
No, we don't really use it. So the first thing y'all tell me is that we could use it as a fraction. That's true. So we could represent ratios as a fraction.
I
What
don't know what it's
else?
called, but it's with the 2 dots.
Very good. We could use a colon. Very
Yeah.
good. So we could use
You
a
could use the
fraction.
word two.
Very good. So we could use the fraction. We could use a colon, right? And we could use what's another thing? We could use the words. So these are the three basic ways in which we could represent a ratio. So fraction, colon, words. The one that is most frequent that is used is actually the colon one. That's the most frequent one. All right, so let's go ahead and write that down. So a ratio can be written in different ways. So go ahead, what's the name? Go ahead, Andisha, can you read what we have on the screen, please? Where's on?
Ratio can be written in 3 different ways, with the word to be, for example, 3 to 4, as a actual fraction, 3/4, with a colon, 3.4.
Very good. So when we have a colon, so we could write it with a colon, we could write it as a fraction, we could write it as a word. So, but the colon is the one that is the most, like, we use that the most. This is the most one, the most used. All right, the colon one. All right. The fraction we use, yeah, but we don't really use, we use a fraction, but we could represent a fraction, but that is true. A fraction is a ratio by definition, but mainly we use ratio, we use the colon one. And we also could, when we read it, whenever you read ratios, you say 2. So this is read 3, 2, 4. That's how we read it. All right. You could just say 3/4 for that. There's no special way to read this. And obviously in the word form, you want to write the word 2. All right. So can someone tell me what are the 3 ways in which we can represent a ratio? What are the 3 ways?
With words,
Word
a
is
colon,
Words.
and a fraction.
Fraction.
Very good with words, a colon, and a fraction.
This is Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
As a fraction, will
Mhm.
that be 3/4 or 3/4? Is it the same thing?
It's the same thing, right? So if I write 3/4, that's a good question. It's the same thing as 3/4. It's just like a shorthand way of writing it. That's a good question. All right. And Antonio Lewis. Where's Antonio?
Right here.
What are the 3 ways? By the way, you are writing this down. People are asking me in the chat if we writing this down. Yes, you are writing this down. And yeah, Antonio, what are the 3 ways we could represent a ratio?
As a fraction, with a colon, with the word.
Very good. Those are the 3 ways that we could represent it. Good. So where is Ashanti? Ashanti, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What are the 3 ways we could represent a ratio?
The 3 ways we can represent a ratio is with the word 2, as a fraction, and with a colon.
Very good. Now, Dominic, what is a ratio?
A ratio is a comparison of 2 quantities.
Very good. It's a comparison between 2 quantities.
Good evening.
Good evening. And Carlton, where's Carlton Strawn?
Yes, sir.
For ratios, does the order matter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the order does matter. All right, so take a picture of this one as well and send it to me via WhatsApp. Go ahead and take a picture of this for me. Once you finish, write this down, because it's not a lot. I'm sure you'll finish writing that down. All right, so we know what the definition of a ratio is. We know how to represent ratios. All right, so that's good. Now let's talk about types of ratios, right? So there are different types of ratios, right? We're gonna first talk about the first type, and then we're gonna go to the next one, right? But there are different types of ratios, and I'm gonna explain it to you step by step. So, do y'all know any types of ratios before I give y'all the answer? Y'all may know, y'all may not know. But if you know, let me know. So how do you know like the different types of ratios? Everyone is quiet.
Possibilities.
Probabilities.
Yeah, probabilities.
Okay, a probability is written as a fraction. But I'm not talking about probabilities, but that's a good, very good answer.
I don't really know what you mean.
Say it again.
I don't really know what you mean.
You don't know what I mean when I say types of ratio.
Right.
Okay. So that's what we're gonna look at, right? So the first, it's very, very simple. We are writing it down. We are writing this down. I see people asking me for it. Are we writing this down? Yes, you are writing this down. If you don't have this written down yet, please write it down. Okay, so let's first start off with the first type of ratio, which is going to be part to part. So part to part is the first type of ratios. So let's talk about it. So part to part. So part to part is going to be, so let's say, for example, right, you have two groups of people. So you have a class, and the class has, say, the class has 3 girls. Wait, let me make a note of that. The class has 3 girls and 1 boy. So if I say, give me the ratio of girls to boys, what will be your ratio? The ratio of girls to boys.
3 to
Be
1.
3 to 1.
2:1.
3 to 1. Very good. The ratio of girls to boys is going to be 3 to 1. So that's going to be 3 to 1, which means that there are 3, for every 3 girls, there's 1 boy, right? That's what that means, right? So this is part to part. Can someone tell me why is it part to part? Why is it part to part?
Because the 3 girls is single and the boy is single too.
Very good. Because when it comes to part, we're talking about how one entity relates to the other entity. And these two entities, they're basically equal. They're on the same level. So all of these, when we talk about part to part, each part must share the same, what should I say, the same characteristics. All of these, both of these are students, right? And both of these are sections or subsections of the whole, right? So that is a good way to look at it. So basically, if you think about it in terms of sets, so the way you look at it is that if you have like a big set, right? You have a big set. The big set would be the whole, right? So that would be the whole, right? That would be the whole. That would be, so the whole would be all the students in the class, right? So how many students are in the class actually?
4 students.
4.
4, all right? There are 4 students in the class, right? That would be the whole. So the whole refers to the total amount, right? That's another word, the total amount, right? So whenever we're doing a ratio that is part to whole, we are comparing how one part relates to the whole. So if I ask you to give me a ratio of girls to total number of students, what would you tell me?
3 to
3 to
4.
4.
3 to
3 to
4.
3 to 4. Very good. How did you get 3 to 4?
Because there are 3
There are
girls
3
and
girls and
Uh-huh.
4 students.
4
Very
students
good.
and 2
Because
boys.
there are 3 girls and there are 4 students overall. You all understand the difference between like part to part and part to whole? So those are the 2 types. So part to whole is when you're comparing one subset with the other subset, right? But part to whole is when you're comparing a subset to the whole total amount, all right? So that means that this 3 to 1 is going to be girls to boys. So it's going to be girls to boys, right? And this ratio 3 to 4 is going to be girls to girls to the total or the whole, right? And the whole is 4 students, right? Good. So that's the 2 difference. So can someone tell me what are the 2 types of ratios that we talk about? The 2 types of
Part to
ratios.
part
Part
and
to
whole.
One
ratio and
fraction.
part to whole ratio.
Part to part and part to.
Very good. Part to part and part to whole. All right. What if I want the ratio of boys to total number of students?
1 to 4.
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Very good. It'll be 1 to 4. Because there's 1 boy, but there are 4 but there are 4 students in the class. All right. So that's how that would be. All right. Okay.
I have a
So
question.
go ahead, Andisha.
So why you didn't count the boy? Why you only count the girls? So you just doing girls? I know a girl.
Yeah, for this one, I'm just doing girls to the whole number, to the total. But if I was doing boys to the whole number, it'll be 1 to 4.
Okay.
Right? That makes sense?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I want to do is, I want to move on to the next one, but I want someone to read this part. Any volunteers to read?
Ratios. Ratios can be classified into 2 types. One is part-to-part ratio and the other is part-to-whole ratio.
Very good. Thank you, Vadaso. And Urban, you wanted to read too? I saw your mic open.
No, I accidentally came off the chat, and when I came back, it automatically opened.
Okay, no problem. All right, so take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Did you all draw the picture or y'all just like ignore it?
did draw a picture, actually.
Really? That's
Right,
interesting.
a simple one.
I am not drawing that.
A simple drawing. You don't have to draw it. It's just a question.
We have to draw it.
No, you don't have to draw it. You don't have to draw it. I mean, that would be unreasonable, right? You have to draw it. Unless you're like an artist, then it's gonna be easy for you. But I'm not an artist. Okay, so let's talk about let's define part to part right now, right? But take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to send their work. So good. So let's talk to Shannon Smith. Shannon, have you sent in your work as yet? That's Shannon.
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Andre Forbes, have you sent in your work as yet?
After Mr. Petit, I didn't join too long ago, so I don't know if we did any classwork. I said.
No, we haven't done any classwork, just notes. But have you written this down?
Oh, yes, sir.
You sent in your work as yet?
I sent it right now.
Okay, good. And
Yes,
then Aubrey, where's Aubrey? Aubrey, can you hear me? Aubrey Wiley. Where's Aubrey? And can't really hear from Aubrey. Avriel. It's Avriel. Aubrey and Avriel. And Bernard. Aubrey, Avriel, and Bernard, are y'all there? And Brian Johnson. Can you hear me? Brian?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Have you sent in your work as yet?
No, sir. I will send it now.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's talk about part to part in specifically, right? Let's talk about part to part specifically. So let's look at it. So for part to part, let me go and clear all this. So for part to part, so a part to part ratio shows how one part, so write this one down. A part to part ratio shows how one part relates to another part, right? So like I said, both of those have to be subsets of the entire whole, right? That's what I mean, like part to part. What else do we know about part to part? Brianna Clark, are you there? Where's Brianna Clark?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Have you sent any work as yet, Brianna? Okay, that's good. Renee, sweeting.
Excuse me.
Go, no problem. Go ahead,
Yes, sir.
Rena.
You can go back to the other page, please.
Yeah, I could. So let me go back quickly.
Screenshot it. Alright, done.
No problem. Go ahead, Renee, Renee, sweeting. So read the examples of part-to-part ratios.
Examples of part-to-part ratios. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 9 to 11.
Okay.
The ratio of oranges to apples is 4 to 7. The ratio of water bottles to juice bottles is 3 to 5.
Very good. So it's part-to-part, right? So it's part-to-part. So when we say 9 to 11, what do we mean by that? That means for every 9 boys, there are 11 girls in the class. If we say the ratio of orange to apples is 4 to 7, that means for every 4 oranges we have, there are 7 apples. All right. And then if we talk about the ratio of water bottles to juice bottles, that means for every 3 water bottles we have 5 juice bottles. But again, these are parts of a whole. These are parts or subsets of an entire group, right? So that's why it's part to part. We're comparing one thing to another, one thing to another, right? And both of those things that we're comparing are subsets, right? Good. So we have that. So we have, let me go ahead and charge this. So, Chai, where's Chai? Where's Chai? Chai,
Yes, sir.
when we say the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 9 to 11, what does that mean?
That there's 9 boys and there in total the class is 11.
No. Read it again. Read the question. Read the statement again.
The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 9 to 11.
Mm-hmm. So what does that mean?
That there's 9 boys and 11 girls.
Okay, that's close, but it doesn't have to be 9 boys and 11 girls. It doesn't have to be. All that means is that for every, what?
9 boys, there's 11 girls.
Very good. For every 9 boys, there's 11 girls. Good. China, what does the ratio of 4 to 7 mean? For the second one.
For every 4 oranges, there's 7 apples.
Very good. And where's Sion? Sion, can you hear me? Where's Sion?
Yes,
Good. What is the ratio of water bottles to juice bottles? 3 to 5. What does that mean? When we say it's 3 to 5. What does that mean? For every what? For every 3 water bottles, how many juice bottles do we have?
5.
We have 5. Very good. Good. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. Now we're gonna move on to part to whole. Part to whole. Cleveland, have you sent in your notes yet? Cleveland, have you
No,
sent in?
sir, I still writing.
Okay, no problem.
Did we have to send these set of notes too?
Yes, send this as well.
Okay.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
when I send the notes, the last question can be on the other page, so you'll only be able to see the first 3. I mean, the
Oh,
first 2.
no problem. That's fine. Thank you, Lakesia. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Alexis. Thank you, Kevinique. Thank you, Aubrey. Okay, good. So let's move on. So next thing we're gonna talk about is where is Cordell? Cordell Pratt, are you there? Where's Cordell Pratt? Cordell Pratt, are you there? Where's Cordell Pratt? Can't hear from Cordell. D'Angelo Evans, are you there? Where's D'Angelo? And Dorcia, can you hear me? Dorcia, can you hear me? Where's Dorcia?
Yes, sir.
Good. Have you written this down, Dorcia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you send it to me, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, so let's go on and I want you to read this for me, Dorcia, the second one. Let me move on to the next slide. So now we're going to talk about part to whole ratios. So part to whole. So part to whole is going to be, go ahead, Dorcia, read this. Go ahead, Dorcia.
A part to whole ratio shows how one part relates to the whole.
Very good. Read the rest for me.
The ratio of boys to the total number of students in the class is 9 to 20.
Very good. Continue.
The ratio of oranges to the total amount of fruits in the grocery bag is 4 to 11.
Mm-hmm. Continue.
The ratio of water bottles to the total amount of drinks in the refrigerator is 3 to 8.
3 to 8. Very good. All right. So when we're talking about part to whole, we're comparing a subset to the total number of to the total number of students or elements in the set, right? But when we're talking about part to part, we're taking one subset and the next subset, we're comparing them, right? So part to whole compares one portion, one smaller portion to the bigger portion, and then part to part compares two small portions, right? Ethan A, are you there? It's hard to pronounce your name, your last name. But Ethan A, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Can you tell me the difference between part to part and part to whole?
Part to part is like two different small sets.
Yeah.
And part to whole is like a set and the entirety of the sets.
Very good. So you have the smaller set with the bigger set. Good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Then we have who else we have? We have Dion Thompson. This Dion Thompson. Can you hear me, Dion?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you writing this down, Dion?
Yes, sir. I'm just a little behind because my power went off and it just came back on.
That's fine. That's no problem. That's fine. And Ethan Finley, are you writing this down? That's Ethan Finley. Ethan Finley.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing this down, Ethan?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Genesis, you writing this down as well?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so if I say that the ratio of boys to the total number of students in class is 9 to 20, what that means is I'm comparing the subset of boys to the entire class, all right? Now, this is a good question. If the ratio of boys to the total number of students in the class is 9 to 20, right? And we assume that these are actual numbers for the students in the class, what would be the ratio of girls to the total number of students in the class? Remember now, the ratio of boys to total is 9 to 20. So what would be the
11
ratio
to
of
20?
girls to
11 to
total?
20.
11 to 20. Very good, 11 to 20. Why? How did y'all get it? Why y'all think that's answer? Why y'all get it? How did you get?
I said I figured out that 9 is the total number of girls. So if I subtract it from the total number of everyone, then you will get the number for the boys.
Very good. Just say it the opposite way, right? Because boys is 9, right? He's right. So if boys is 9, right? And you know the total is 20, so that means that girls would have to be 11. So if you want to write girls, the total number of students in the class, it would be what? It would be 11 to 20. 11 to 20. 11 to 20. All right. So that's what that would be. All right. Good. So all we did was we subtract 20 minus, we did 20 minus 9, and that gives us 11. That's how we get the girls. It almost looked like a clock, like time with the colon. All right, so good. So that is parts of whole, ratios, and that's it. So what I wanted to do is I want us to by the way, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I want us to look at simplifying ratios now. So we already did types of ratios and we defined it, we compared them, but I want us to look at how we're gonna simplify the ratios. So that's the most important thing. So simplifying ratios, all right? So go ahead and take a picture of your work so far, send it to me via WhatsApp, and then we're gonna move on to simplifying ratios, which is definitely something that you need to know. Definitely a good part that you need to know. All right. So good. We have to simplify the ratios. So when we talk about simplifying ratios, we simplify them just in the same way how we simplify fractions. We do it in the same way.
I just was about to ask you that.
Yeah, we do it in the same way. But you'll see there's a sort of a difference. There's sometimes, but that difference only comes when we're dealing with different units. So that's when that counts. When you have to do with different units. But besides that, you know, it really is the same thing. All right. So let me go ahead and okay, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp so we can move on to simplifying these ratios. Yes. All right. Good. All right, good. So let's look at it, right? So let's say we have okay, good. So all right, good. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this example, and we can move on from this example, right? So, and I'm going to show you how to simplify them right now. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and stop sharing and share my screen again, so y'all could be able to see it. So share. Okay, good. So here we have this example, and let's go ahead and do this, right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to write down the ratios and leave our answer in simplest form. So we have to write down the ratio of large building bricks to small building bricks. So can someone tell me what is the ratio of large building bricks to small building bricks? What is the ratio? Y'all have to count. So we have large building bricks to small building bricks. So we have large
48.
4 to 8.
4 to 8?
Well, 8 to 4, I guess.
I don't know. Y'all have tell me. Large to small.
4 to 8. Yeah.
4 to 8.
4 to 8.
Y'all going with 4 to 8 or y'all going with 8 to 4?
4 to 8.
4 to 8.
4 to 8.
4 to 8.
4 to 8. Okay, so let's count. Let's count. You are writing this down. You don't have to write down the bricks. But you have to maybe you could just do like big boxes or whatever. But that's not really important. The most important thing is how to simplify. Okay, so drawing the image is optional. If you want to draw it, you could draw it. If you don't, then ding 'em. But you have to write down the working. So large building bricks to small building bricks. Let's count the large building bricks, and I'm going to use this blue for the large ones. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. I only see 4 large ones. So I'm gonna put 4 here. Do y'all agree? I only see 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so 4. So now we're gonna do the the small ones, right? So for the small ones, we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. I only see 4. Y'all see any more?
Yes, sir.
4 more.
At
4
the
more. And 4 more.
at the bottom, you're right. So it's gonna be 5, then 6, then 7, and then 8. So I got 8 small ones. Y'all got that as well? 8 small ones.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So the ratio, we are writing this. Why people keep on saying if we're writing this down? We are writing this down. All right, we are writing this down.
I think they mean the bricks.
No, not the bricks, not the bricks. You don't write down the bricks, just the working. All right, so 4 to 8. So is this ratio in simplest form? 4 to 8.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
By
You could
2.
divide it
No,
by
sir.
By 2.
Okay, so
You
how
could
could I
divide by
what could I do?
divide by
Divided
4,
by
Two.
and
4.
you'll get 1 over 2. 1 to 2.
Yeah,
1 to
1
2?
to 2.
1 to 2.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. So we could use the HCF, which is the highest common factor between 4 and 8. And y'all want to use 2 or y'all want to just use 4 one time?
4. 4.
Oh,
Well, yeah, let's use 4.
4.
We could
4
use 4
because
one
4 is
time.
quicker.
Yeah, we could use 4 one time. Because if we use 2, we have to do it twice, right? I mean, y'all could do it twice, it's no problem. But you could use 4 one time, right? So we divide these 2 by what? By 4. So we divide by 4, we divide by 4. And so we say 4 divided by 4 is going to be what?
1.
1. Very good. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 8 divided by 4 is
2.
what? Is 2. Very good, it's 2. So the ratio of a large to small is going to be what?
1.
1.
1 to 2.
1 to 2. Very good. What is another way I could write this?
1 over 2.
1
I could
over.
write it as 1 over 2 as well. That's
Or
another way I could write.
1 to 2.
0.5.
No, no, I cannot. Not for ratios. You can't convert them
Oh,
into
for ratios, okay.
yeah, you can't convert them into decimal. So the ratio is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Do y'all understand this or y'all lost? Y'all sound quiet.
I understand.
You can
Y'all
use
understand?
using words.
I
You could
need to
use
stop.
words. You could use words. You could use words. You could use words as well. All right. So 1 to 2 is the correct answer. All right. Any go ahead, Anthony.
When you using words, doesn't the question have to say like 1 to that number? Or
You could you could still use it no matter what, right? Because it's still the same thing. So we could say 1, 2, 2. That's the ratio. That could be an answer as well. It's saying the same thing. So they're saying the same thing. 1 to 2. Right? But like I say, the most common way that we write it, the most common way that we write it is definitely using the colon. That's the most common way. So what you would see when I do my work, I always just use the colon way. That's just the way that we do it. But not to say that the word way is wrong. It's just not common. All right.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
No problem. All right. So take a picture of this, send it to me via WhatsApp. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. And I think with this one, I think I'm gonna get y'all. I think I'm gonna get y'all. I think I'm finally gonna get my revenge. Finally. All right, so let's see. Or will y'all outsmart me again, as usual? All right, so let's see. So with this one, this is number 2, and we want to figure out what is the ratio of these things, right? So let me clear all drawings and then let me share my screen with y'all, right? So this is gonna be the ratio of, again, we're trying to write it in what? You're gonna write the ratio in what? Simplest, what?
Simplest form.
Simplest form, very good.
It's Pratik.
Go ahead.
You sharing that screen because I can't see it at all.
Yes, I'm gonna share it right now. All right, so.
Because I told you to share it and I couldn't see it on the screen.
No, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, good. So we wanna write the ratio of wrap sweets to jelly ring sweets in simplest form. So how are we gonna do that? Wrap sweets to jelly ring sweets. What do y'all think it is? Everyone
3 to
quiet.
4.
Let's do that. Don't simplify it yet. Just give me the big broad one.
6 to 8.
6 to 8. Okay, he's saying 6 to 8. Y'all agree with him?
8 to 6.
8 to 6.
I didn't get the count. I still writing.
So writing. Okay.
I mean 8 to 6. Yeah, 8 to 6.
8 to 6.
8 to 6. 8 to 6. Okay, so go ahead.
For the last one, for the bricks what we did for the example,
Mm-hmm.
why you said that the large number was 4 and the smaller number was 8?
I said the large numbers. Oh, when I say I talking about the bricks. I was talking about the bricks, not the number. There were 4 large bricks. There was I think how many? We had 8 small bricks. So when I say large and small, I was talking about the bricks size, not the actual number. That's a good question.
Okay.
All right, so we want to go first with the wrap sweets. So wrap sweets. Wrap sweets. These candies making me hungry for some reason. Wrap sweets. 2.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Go ahead, Ricardo.
In simplest form, what do you mean? You mean just simplifying to the smallest number, right?
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. So when we talk about
Uh,
simplest form, we're talking about that you have to break it down and simplify it such that no other number can go into those numbers, right? Besides 1, because 1 is a factor of everything. So we have wrap sweets. 2, what? Jelly ring sweets. And I really want to use an abbreviation, but I don't want to confuse them. So we just go and write it. So jelly ring sweets. In the exam, you don't have to write the whole thing. You just gotta put WS and JS. Right? But I'm doing this because I want to be clear to everyone. So we have wrap sweets to jelly ring sweets. Right? So how many wrap sweets do we have? How many?
8.
8. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, I got 8 as well. Very good. So 8 wrap sweets. 2, what? 2 what?
Jelly ring sweet.
Jelly ring sweets. How many jelly ring sweets do we have?
6.
We had 6. So I got 6. Let's count. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. Yes, I got 6 as well. So we got 8 to 6. Very good. And so what we need to do here is we need to what? Simplify.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. We could use anything other than 2, or 2 is the only option.
No, sir. We could only use 2.
We could only use 2. Very good. So we could simplify this. So 8 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So we divide both sides by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
4.
4. Very good. So 4, 2, what?
3.
6 divided by 2 is 3.
3.
3, yeah. So the ratio of wrap sweets to jelly ring sweets is 4 to 3. Is that clear to y'all, or y'all like a loss? Let me know if y'all understand that.
No,
It's clear.
yes, sir.
It's clear?
We got
Okay,
it.
It's clear.
good. So it's basically like simplifying fractions. Once you can simplify a fraction, you should be able to do this. If you're not able to simplify fractions, then it's going to be a little difficult for you. Gracia, are you there? Where's Gracia? Gracia and Isis, are you there? Gracia and Isis. By the way, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp because I'm moving on to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Gracia and Isis, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Do you have any questions for me, or you understand?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. All right, so let's go ahead and do another one. So this is ring sweets to wrap sweets. Sorry, wrap sweets to jelly ring sweets, right? So let me go ahead and, again, take a picture of your notes and send them via WhatsApp. Do that for me. Let me go ahead and put this in. Let me clear out drawings. By the way, clear out drawings. And very good. All right, so we did the building one. Okay, good. So let's do this next one. So for this one, we're gonna have so this one is going to be the third one. So for this one, we want to do the same thing we've been doing. We want to write the ratio in simplest form, right? And then we're gonna have a great exercise, and y'all could be able to do it on your own, right? So good. So we have yeah. So let's go ahead and do this. So we want to write the ratio.
It's pretty.
Go ahead.
You forgot the slide you just come off years.
I can. That's what I had. This one was with the wrap
Okay.
sweets to the jelly ring sweets. That was the last one I had.
I almost finished writing the instructions for the girl.
It's the same instructions, so
All right.
it's the same instructions. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So we want to, oh, we already did this. Good. So we write down the ratio, leave your answers in this form. So good.
Hey, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Why are there a bunch of dudes in the background of your question? I'm trying to figure that out. It's already funny. Where's Waldo?
Mental day. Mental day.
Oh.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with them. Leave them
No,
alone.
there's nothing wrong with them.
Yeah.
It's just
Yeah.
interesting.
That is celebrating Martin Luther King Day.
Yeah, that was yesterday, right? Yeah. All right, so
Monday.
that was Monday. Wow. Time flies, right? I'm surprised y'all noticed that. Okay, so anyway, maybe I need to change my background. It's kind of cool background.
It is, but like they're just there.
They're just there looking at you.
I love how random it is.
They're
Yeah,
chilling,
just
though. They're chilling.
It's
yeah,
so
just
very random.
just staring into your
It's like
soul.
zygotic.
Psychotic. Oh my goodness. No, no, no. All right. So sun's the moon.
Yes.
Sun's the moon. Okay. What y'all have?
6 to 9.
2 to
9.
3.
Before you simplify it.
6 to 9.
6 to 9. Okay. After you simplify it.
2 to 3.
2 to
2 to
3.
3.
Okay. So that's what y'all got. Okay. So let's do it. So
Yes, sir.
sun's the moon. Okay. Sun's the moon would be so sun's. Two moons. So how many suns do we have and how many moons do we have? So let's count. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have six suns, right? 6 suns. Right? How many moons do we have?
9.
We have 9 moons. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
6, 7.
8. No way.
It's a new year.
9.
Yes.
None of that.
9.
Leave that, man.
Fox. You all are crazy. All
Can
right.
only be Nehemiah.
All right. So 6, 9. All right. So how can we simplify this? What number we could use?
We could divide
3.
it. 3.
We could use 3 for sure. We could use 3. So we divide 3 here, and we divide by 3.
So that makes just like
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, Cleveland. You saying something?
3.
So yeah, exactly. We use 3 on both sides, right? So 6 divided by 3 gives us
9. No,
2.
3.
what? Oh gosh.
No, I thought you mean for 9. I told you.
6
2.
divided by 3 gives us what?
2. I thought
Gives
you
us
mean for 9.
okay, that's no problem. That's you good. 9 divided by 3 is what?
3.
3. Very good. So it's 2, 3. Okay, y'all think y'all ready to do one on your own? Exercise on your own.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
talk.
Yes,
That's
sir.
easy.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now don't.
Most that.
Now, for this one, I am sure y'all gonna get them right. I am absolutely sure because y'all are pretty good at this. It's not gonna be a quiz, unfortunately. They round me out yesterday for giving y'all so much quiz. Mr. Petit, too much quiz. Too much
Mind you.
quiz.
Whatever that was.
Too much
We
quiz.
had
Mind
6
you.
quiz
We ain't
yesterday.
doing no quizzes today.
Well, not right now. All right,
Mind you,
so
last year we
Ever.
did 9 quizzes, by the
mean?
way.
9 is quiz, right?
Not.
I'd rather do the quiz.
You rather do the quiz? Me too, but we can write it down. All right, so for this one, do not write the. Anyone drew the drawings? Like anyone drew the sun and the candies?
I
I
did.
did.
You did?
I
To
did.
be honest, I'm just writing it.
You're just writing it down.
I just
I
saw
draw it this
circles.
time. I'm be honest.
All right, that's no problem. It's nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong with that. But for these two, it's too much to draw unless you like really like drawing. So I wouldn't recommend that you draw it. But if you want to draw it, it's up to you. But it's a lot to draw. So good night. So this is going to be a great exercise. Number 1. So all you need to do is tell me what is my bad. Tell me what is the I numbering wrong, right? This is like technically our 4th one, but this is your first one for the exercise, and it's the second one for this one. Okay, so for number 1, tell me what is the ratio of orange juices
12
to
over 8.
no,
12.
no. Write it down in your book. Write down in your book. This is your exercise. This is my exercise. Write down in your book and send a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Once you take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp, that shouldn't take long. You can put your answers inside the chat. I would like to see it.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
I'm unable to send any photos at this moment.
You sound like a publicist. Why you can't send your work?
I don't have any. I don't have my phone with me.
Okay, that's no problem. So, how about your mommy phone, daddy phone? Can't use that?
No, sir. They're not here.
They're not there. Okay, no problem. So once you are able to get your phone, I need you to, you writing it down though, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So once you finish that, then you can send it to me. So if you're not writing, so what I need to do, put your answers inside the chat as well, so we can have a record of you submitting
Okay.
something. All right. So number one, we want the ratio of orange to juices. I'm sorry, that's so wrong. We want the ratio of orange juices to cups of tea. All right.
Teacher, Mr. Petit,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
once you simplify it once and it can be simplified again, can you simplify it or don't simplify it?
Keep on going. Keep on going until you can't simplify it no more. Right? Keep on going until you can't simplify it no more. All right. So you might have to do it once and then again and again, depending on depending on um depending on what number you use. So if you use two, sometimes two, you have to do it over again. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. But just simplify it until you can't simplify it no more.
We doing number 2 now?
Yeah, do number two as well. Do number two as well.
Finish.
All right.
I send the answers in the chat.
You send answers inside the chat. That's good.
Oh, Mr. Petit, if I finish Xavier, what's up?
Yes, you can. So take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp, and also put your answers inside the chat as well. Right? All right, good. So again, for number one, I want the ratio of orange juices to cups of tea. Then for number two, I want the ratio of dogs to cats to rabbits in simplest form, right? So that one involves three. So I want to see how y'all will be able to do that. Show y'all to be able to get it done properly. I'm seeing good answers in the chat. So that's always good. Okay, so can we start with number one? Y'all finish with number one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
All right, good. So for number one, what y'all got in simplest form?
12 over
3
8.
over 2.
3 over 2.
3 over 2.
Over two.
3 to 2? Okay,
Yes.
before you simplify it, what you got? Before you
3
simplify it,
12 over 8.
12 over 8.
12 and 8.
12 to 8.
12 to 8, okay. So let's count, right? So since we're dealing with ratios, just say 12 to 8. Don't say 12 over 8, even though it's technically still right, but get in the habit of using the word 2 for ratios, right? So, okay, so let's do orange juices. These orange juices look nice. So they make me hungry. One,
I'm thirsty.
I think you
I
just
know, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I do get 12 for real. Y'all are right. So I got 12. 2, what? Let's go ahead and count the T. So T is going to be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I got 12 to 8. So we have 12 to 8. So my question is, what y'all gonna use to similar to go into two of them? What y'all use?
4.
Four.
Use 4. Okay. Did someone use 2? Because you could use 2, you know. 2, you just
I
have to do it.
used
used
to.
to.
Use 2.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
I used to.
Yeah, I used.
Actually, no, I didn't. I used 4.
Use 4.
Wait, not in this one. In this one, I used 4. In the second one, I used 2.
It'll be two. The same thing, right?
Yeah, two will still be right. It just said you have to do it like another step. All right. So let's use 4 because 4 is the highest common factor. So 12 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4. That gives us what? 12 divided by 4 is what? 3? And 8 divided by 4 is 2.
2.
So it's 3 to 2. How many persons got 3 to 2? Let me know if you got 3 to 2.
Me.
did. I did.
I
Me.
Very
did.
good, guys. Very good.
Mm.
Very good, guys. Very good. Good stuff. All right, so dogs to cats to rabbits. There's like 3 of them. So how did y'all do it? What y'all have?
I divided
Yeah.
by 2 for each of them.
I divided by 2.
Divided by 2. Okay, so what is y'all like original one? Like what's the original
It
statement?
was
8,
8 to
8
2.
to
8
10.
to 10.
8,
I
2, and
mean,
10?
8 to 2
8
to
to
10.
8 to
8
2
to
to
2
10.
to 10.
Okay,
8 to 2 to 10, yeah.
8, 2, and 10. All right, no problem. So
that is
that's
a lot of rabbits.
a lot of rabbits, right? Anyone ever had a rabbit pet?
No, sir.
No, but I know
I
somebody
still
who
have my
Yes,
rabbit.
I once had a dog.
I
Once
do have one.
had
I
a
miss
rabbit, but
my
he died.
rabbit now.
I have a dog
I
and a
had one, but
rabbit.
he died
The
as
dog.
well.
Oh gosh. All right.
I have a cat.
I
That's
have
good.
2 dogs.
That's
I
good. I hope.
have 2 dogs, a rabbit, and one cat.
Okay.
I
You
got
go.
dog.
You have the whole zoo.
I have 4 cats.
What if your dog
You
eat the
don't
rabbit?
take one?
Say what if your dog eat the rabbit? All right. So dogs. Let's go. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? So 8 is gonna be 8. So 8 is your first one. That's dogs. So we have to keep it in order, right? So it's dogs. And then we gotta go to the cats. So
Cat.
there's literally only 2 cats here. Wow, that's racist. So cats is going to
Say
be
racist.
1,
Yeah, I don't think they like cats around here.
2. But cats are the most cleanest animals there is. You have to keep one.
Right. I
Like,
mean, that doesn't mean they're the best.
So you trying to say
To
my
be
dog
honest,
dirty?
I can't have a cat
Listen,
because
can
I'm
we not
allergic.
slander cats
uh,
tonight, please? Can we not slander
Try to
cats?
be racist to animals.
all right. Let's do the rabbit. How many rabbits do we have? Let's see. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. So it's gonna be 8 to 2 to 10, right? Okay, so good. So now what we need to do is we need to simplify this. So we divide by what? Divide
2.
by 2. And when we divide by 2, and we divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is
4.
4. Very good. 2 divided by 2 is
1.
1. And 10
And
divided
then
5.
10
5.
divide 10 divided by 2 is
5.
5. Very good. So 4 to 1 to 5. Did y'all get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
I'm sorry.
Very good. If you got that, exceptional job. If you got both right,
I got that.
Put a 1 in the chat. Again, if you get all right, put a 1 in the chat. Let me see.
The one in the chat.
I
All
got
right.
what you
All
say.
right. All right. Very good, guys. Y'all doing pretty well. Okay, so good. So, should I go hard or should I just keep it easy? What y'all think?
Harder.
Competition.
Harder.
Harder.
Get harder.
Keep
Okay.
it easy.
You're
The
not
last
speaking
time
on
I
my
said go
behalf.
hard, we got like a 4 out of 10 or something.
You can
All
keep
right.
it easy.
Basically, once I get short on like number 2,
All right.
I had to
Okay.
put B, C, and R.
You had to put B. You had to like order it, right? I know.
I
All
did
right.
that too.
So let's. I like when we challenge ourselves, and I know that you all are good for a challenge. Y'all are very smart. So we are going to, add just a little tad bit of spice to the
That
situation.
sounds evil.
That's not evil. It's not evil. All right, trust me. It's not
Sounds like
evil.
Mr. Petit.
All right. All right, so let's go ahead and do this one. So with these ones, it's a slight difference, but I'm sure you're gonna be able to get it, right? So let me go ahead and pull it up for you. All right, so
I like how the men in the background were slowly fading away.
oh, the men in the background, yeah.
They
Genesis.
make me feel so psycho.
This is so psychotic, guys.
What
All
about
right.
me?
Remember you talk about the guys in the background? All right, so for this one, right? Let me go ahead and I'm gonna change my background. I'll do it right now. Because y'all are hating on my nice background.
I never
We're
said
not hating.
I'm the
It's
man.
amazing.
you
Y'all
We're
are,
not hating. They look
man.
so psycho. They
y'all
look so
hate,
psycho.
So psychotic, man.
no,
Exactly.
I love
no,
how odd it
It looks
was.
creepy.
Oh my
no.
gosh.
I
Exactly.
liked it.
It's good. It's good. It's
They're
not that
hating
creepy, okay? It's
they're
good.
hating
It's
on my thing. So you know what? Let's
Three
do this one.
answers.
I changed my
Okay.
mind. It's not. It's not like we're hating or
I want
anything. They look
that.
so psycho.
I want that.
Okay, so let's do this one. So this one is with a fraction, right? So we need to do ones with a fraction. So can anyone tell me? I'm not gonna give you the answer yet. Can someone tell me what you think we're gonna do? So we have 1/4, right? We have 1/4.
Turn the fractions into decimals.
Mm, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. But that's a good idea, but I wouldn't do that. That's a good, first attempt, first guess. So we have 1/4, 2, 1/2 to 1, right? So how do we do this? China, Chai, Sharonik, Ranika, Latavia, Ethan, Ethan A. Aiden, y'all should be able to help me with this.
Half could go into 1/4 and 1.
Say it again.
Half can go into 1/4 and 1.
Okay, that's a good idea. I like that idea. It's a good idea. Anyone else want to try? Amari? You should be able to help me with this.
It's a petite I lost.
It's interesting. You put one fraction, everybody. Brandon Campbell supposed to be able to help me with
Wait,
this as well.
I think I know what to do. I just
Let's
can't find
simplify
my pen.
You can't find your pen. Irvin Phillips supposed to be able to help me with this as well.
I guess you simplify the denominators.
Okay, how?
Keep the whole number and
By two.
simplify.
Say it again.
Keep the whole number and simplify.
How?
You divide 2 by 4, and then the numerators. Then you keep the whole number.
Close.
I think you might have to change all them to like terms, right?
Okay, that's a good idea. But how though?
We could change we could either change the fractions into decimals or regular numbers, or that whole number 1 into a fraction.
By what? 1/1?
I think so.
Okay. Y'all are heading towards it. Y'all are heading towards it. Okay.
I really think that
Okay.
I don't know what's wrong with the decimal one. What is wrong with us doing it into decimals?
Okay, if you're doing the decimals, then what do you do after that?
You simplify the decimals.
How could you simplify the decimals?
You'll have 0.25, 0.5, and 1, which would be like 1, 2, and 3.
Okay. Okay,
You
so
see,
keep that. So
I
keep that
found out
same
something.
idea. So keep
I
that.
found a new strategy.
Someone say find LCM. That you would. I understand why you would say that, Latavia. I understand that why you would say that, but because you know you want to make the decimals. Okay. Let me give you all the hints. This is the
Continuous
biggest hint of
speaking.
them all. Go ahead. Okay,
Hold
go
on.
ahead.
I could guess before you say it.
Go ahead.
So right, if I look at it, I see that's a 2 and a 4.
Uh-huh.
So what I thinking is we could change 1 into a fraction,
Uh-huh.
but we can make all of them with the same denominator of 4.
Okay.
Maybe.
So
Mr. Petit, I also have a guess.
go ahead.
We can also multiply it, like times the first one by 4, which will make it 1, times the second one by 4, which will make it 2, and the last one times by 4 will be 4.
There we go. That's the right there. That is right there. He's right. Very good. Very good. So that is the trick, right? Thank you, Irvin. So the trick is you want to find the LCM. So someone did say find the LCM. I think it was Latavia who said that. So that would be a good thing to do. So let's find the LCM of these numbers. So what is the LCM of 4 and 2?
8.
8? Not the, I say LCM. I not
Oh,
multiply them. But okay, so
4.
4,
When they're
very
not-
good. It would be 4. Because let's list the multiples of 4. I mean, let's list the multiples of 4. So what are multiples of 4?
2.
4. Multiples of 4?
4,
Genesis?
8,
4,
4,
2, and 1.
12,
4, 8.
Oh, my bad.
8,
Multiples, not factors.
My
4,
bad.
12,
8, 12.
16,
16.
20,
20.
24,
And the list goes
28.
on, right? The list goes on, right? So we can continue this forever and ever. Amen. What are the multiples of 2?
2, 4,
2,
6,
4,
8,
6, 8, 10,
2, 4,
12.
6, 8, 10, 12.
Very good. 2, 4, 6, 8, right? 10. And the list goes on and on, right? So, yeah. What is the LCM? What number is common in both?
4.
4. 4, very good. 4 is common in both, right? So like Latavia said, the first step is find LCM, right? So that means that the LCM of 4 and 2 is what?
4.
It's 4. Good. It's going to be 4. Now, what I'm going to do is, since I know the LCM is 4, I'm just going to multiply 4 by everything, right? So when I multiply, so I'm going to multiply this by 4, right? And I'm going to multiply this by 4. And I'm going to multiply this by 4. Okay? And when I multiply each term by 4, what I get? 4 times 1 is what? What's 4 times 1?
4.
4.
It's going to be 4 over what? 4 over
4.
4, right? 2, what? 4 times 1 is going to be what? 4 over what? 4 over 2. 4 over 2.
Oh, yeah. I think
Because we only multiply by the numerator. Right?
Oh, we're only multiplying the numerator?
Yeah. And then 4 times 1 is?
4.
4. Very good.
Mr. Petit, so I
But
got the answer doing it the decimal way.
yeah, that could work as well. That could work as well. So when I said the decimal way, it's just that you have to know how to manipulate it after you get the decimal. All right, but that could work as well. All right, so now 4 divided by 4 is what?
So now we can change all of them into whole numbers.
1.
Yeah, 4 divided by 4 is?
1.
1.
It's 1.
1.
Very
1.
good. 1. 2. 4 divided by 2 is?
2.
2.
2. Very good.
2.
And we just bring down this 4. So what is the answer here?
1 to 2
1,
to
1,
4.
2,
1
1 to
to
2 to 4.
1 to 2 to 4. Very good. Does that make sense to y'all, or y'all still like lost? Y'all like, I just see numbers on the screen. I don't know what happened.
I understand.
No.
I
I
understand.
get the same answer by putting 1/4 in all of them.
Yes,
Can you
that's
explain it one more time, please?
no problem, Tyler. So the first thing we do is we have to find the LCM of the numbers, right? So good. So the LCM of these two are gonna be the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So we figured out, hey, look at this. The LCM is 4, right? So then we take the
Mr. Petit,
LCM. Go ahead, Amari. Yeah.
how you get 1, 2, and 4? I a little confused.
Oh, because we divide, right? So fraction means division. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we just bring down this 4. Does that make sense?
I get it now.
Yeah. So when we find the LCM of 4 and 2, Tyler, we found out that was 4. So we say, okay, let's multiply 4 by every term in this ratio. So that means that we say, okay, well, 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4, and we keep the denominator. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and we keep the denominator, which is 2. And 4 times 1 is still 4. So that means that we have 4 over 4, 2. 4 over 2, 2, 4. But we still could simplify this more, right? We could say, hey, 4 over 4 is going to give us 1, right? 4 over 2 is 4 divided by 2, because the fraction bar means division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. We just bring down this 4 right there, right? I really believe that you all are able to do, are able to consider this next example. So let's do this next example here, right? So remember, by the way, whenever you're logging in, please log in with your correct name. If you log in with a funny name, I am not going to open your mic, right? So make sure to log in with your correct name. Otherwise, I'm not going to open your mic. So let's go ahead and let's do another one, right? So I'm going to keep it on the same slide. So y'all don't have to send the work yet. Let's do this one first. So let's say we have 1. Oh yeah, small this. Let's say we have 1 over 6, 2, 1. Let me make this there. 2, 1 over 3, 2, 1. I think y'all got to handle this. So we have 1 over 6, 2, 1 over 3, 2, 1. Can someone tell me what is my first order of business? What am I gonna do?
Find
Find
common
the
factors.
Find the LCM.
LCM.
Find LCM. Very good. Of what? The LCM of what? The LCM of 6 and 3, right? So I'm gonna do it at the bottom here because I'm like literally running out of space. So let's find the LCM of 6 and 3. So the LCM, by the way, y'all should know it with your head, like even before we do the LCM of 6 and 3.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
6.
It is 6. Very good. So the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6, right? But let's go ahead and prove it. So we have, let's test the multiples of, give me the multiples of 6.
3,
6, what else?
6, 12, 18, 24,
24, 30,
30,
36,
36,
So 6, 12, 18, what else?
24.
24. Very good. 36. I'm not 36. 30.
30.
And the list goes on, all right? The multiples of 3.
3,
3, 6,
6,
9, 12,
9, 12,
15, 18.
15, 18, 21.
Very good. Very good. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And the list goes on and on, right? So we good. So now we need to find the, gosh, I literally missed 6. So let's do 6. We can't forget 6. That's the most important number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on, right? Okay, so that means that the LCM, or the lowest common multiple, is going to be 6, because 6 could go into both of them, right? So the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Good. So we know we have that the LCM is 6. Now let's go ahead and multiply each term by what?
6.
Multiply each term by 6. Very good. So we say what? Multiply this by 6. All right. Multiply this term by 6. Multiply that term by 6 as well. And when we multiply by 6, we really only multiply the numerators, right? So 6 times 1 is what?
6.
6. Very good. What time is it anyway? Oh, 8:30.
7:30.
7:30. It might be
7:30.
7:30. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So 6 times 1 is 6, all over 6, right? 2. 6 times 1 is 6,
6.
all over 3. 2. 6 times 1 is
6.
6. Very good. So what's going to be our final answer?
1, 2, 2.
1, 2,
1, 2,
6.
6.
Very good. So we have 6 over 6 is going to give us 1, right? And we got 1 because someone mic is open. We got 1 because...
Mr. No.
Oh gosh, you called me so many persons' name just now.
Sorry. Excuse me, Mr. Redeem.
Go ahead, Renee.
Where you get the 3 from?
Where you get the 3 from? What 3 are you talking about? You mean this 3?
Yes, sir.
Oh, because we keep the same denominator. That's a good question. So 6 times 1 is 6, and we have the 3 at the bottom. That's the same 3 that we bring down, right? So that's how we... Go ahead.
Raise the question, please.
You can. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is what?
2.
2. Very good. And we just bring down this 6 here. So it's 1, 2, and 6. All right. So any questions on this before I move on? Any questions on that before?
Can you explain how you get 2 again?
The 2? The 2. Okay, so the 2, I just did 6 divided by 3. And that's a good question because the fraction bar means division. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's how we get that. Same thing with this one.
Okay.
You got it? Yeah. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. All right. And then you just bring down the 6 as well. So what I need y'all to do is take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Are we going to do any work? Like, are you going to send us a thing through the chat?
A quiz? No, we're not going to do a quiz right now. We're going to do a great exercise. I think we can start the quizzes maybe tomorrow. I ain't give y'all no quiz. I mean, it depends on if we have time today. But let's do the great exercise. I might have a quiz off my sleeve, right? Or maybe we just don't have a quiz. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. But we're going to do a great exercise for sure. All right. And it's going to be on this. So this one is like fractions, right? Have you all ever done like ratios with fractions? Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Pretty cool. That's good. All right. So take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. I can take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. And we could do a great exercise. And we can move on from this one, right? So good. So I want to give you all two questions. So I think y'all will really be able to get. Go
Maybe
ahead.
it's
Yes, we can.
thank you.
All right. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Drop for me, please. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay, good. Any questions? If there's no questions, if there's a question, please let me know. Don't be shy. I have no problem explaining it again. Because this is like, it's like a level above,
You can explain it again, please.
no problem. So what we did is that we took, first thing we do is that we have to find the LCM. So for this one, we have to find the LCM of 6 and 3. So how do we find the LCM? Well, we list all the elements. We list the multiples of 6, and we list the multiples of 3. And then we find that the lowest one was 6. So that means that we say, okay, well, since the lowest one is 6, that means 6 is the lowest common multiple. And then we take 6 and we multiply it by each fraction. So 6 multiplied by 1 over 6. But really, all we're doing is multiplying by the numerator. So 6 times 1 is 6. And we bring down the 6, the same 6 here. We bring down the 6 as well. Let me use a cursor properly so y'all could like see what I'm showing. And then we have 6 times 1, which is 6. We put the 3 at the bottom, which is the same 3 that was ever at the bottom. And this one is easy. So 6 times 1 is just 6. Then we divide. So we say 6 divided by 6, which gives us 1. 6 divided by 3, which gives us 2. And just bring out the 6 right there. All right? So that's how we go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and do a great exercise quickly. I'm going to give you all two questions. I want you all to do it, write it in your book and do it. And then put your answers inside the chat as well. All right? But first thing, do it in your book first. So, good. So we have, yes, you can, Jai. Okay, good. So let me take a picture of this. So, cloud drawings. So great exercise. Okay, so this is gonna be great exercise. So graded. I put that in red. Number 1, at least for this section. So let me use a divider so we get divided into 2 sections. All right, so we have, let me clean this up. So we have,
Mr. Boutique, I'm coming right back.
no problem. So we have, we divide it. So we divide it like this. So we have this side, which is, say, fully like that. Then we have this side, which is fully like this. Good. So now, let's go ahead and actually write the question now. So we want to simplify this, right? So I have 1 over 8, 2. 1 over 4, 2, 1. That's my number 1. Go ahead and do that. Try it on your own. Then I have number 2. And I have 1 over 9, 2. 1 over 3, 2, 1. All right, so Hopefully y'all are able to do this. I have a lot of confidence in y'all. So go ahead and attempt these. And like I said, for these ones, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and write it down and then put your answer inside the chat once you finish taking a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay, question. Where is
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
where?
For the one by itself, we have the times up by 8 as well for number one.
That's correct. That's correct. Yeah. Yes, that's true. You have the times
He
up by
really
8.
just leaked it out, so.
bad.
You're bad for what?
He actually said the answer for it, like
Hey, he
the
could be
A.
wrong. He could be wrong. He could be wrong. Yeah, just don't take his answer for granted. He could be
I
wrong.
already done the first question.
Okay. But you have to multiply. Whatever LCM is, you have to multiply it by 1 as well. Okay. All right. All right. Where is Jai Thompson? What number you on? Where's Jai Thompson? Oh, wait, he said he had to step out. Jamari Evans? Where's Jamari Evans?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. Good.
Excuse me.
I'm finished.
That's good. Jonathan, what number you on? Jonathan, what number you on?
Finished.
You finished? Okay.
I'm done.
That's good. That's good.
Done.
You done as well? Again, take a picture of your work and send them via WhatsApp.
I'm also finished. Miss Petite, it's soon 8 o'clock, and you know what that means.
Oh yeah,
It'll
8
be
o'clock.
the crowning of the new emperor of this class.
That is correct. That is
All right,
correct.
bro. We get it, bro.
That is
Speaking a
correct.
little bit too fast, Dominique.
All right,
Hello, this one.
we'll do that. We'll do that when we get there. We still in math. We still in math. We still in math. We'll do it when we get there.
Oh yeah, bye.
All right, so put your answers inside the chat for me. Put your answer inside the chat for me.
Did you see my answer in the chat?
Yes, I did. Antonio, right? I did. The rest of you, put your answers inside the chat. Are y'all done? Are y'all still working? What number y'all on if you're still working?
I'm the second one. I'm so close to being done.
Number 2.
Okay, you're number 2. Okay, good.
I'm done, Mr. Petit.
You're done as well? That's good.
Yeah, you finish.
You finished as well? Good. Okay, good. So for number 1, what y'all get for y'all answer?
1 to 8.
1 to 2 to 8.
1 to 2
1
to
to
8.
2 to 8.
Okay. All right, so that sounds good, right? Because most persons got that. What if everyone was magically and mysteriously wrong? Let's see.
1 to 4.
Don't say that, Mr. Petit.
What if that's a possibility?
I know I'm right.
What's the possibility? He said he know he's right. I like that confidence. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the LCMs. We have to find the LCM of what? 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4. So let's first list the LCM of 8. Well, not the LCM, the multiples of 8 rather. The multiples of 8 are what? 8,
8, 16,
16,
24,
24,
32.
32. Very good. And the list goes on, right? We don't have to write all that. Stop right there. What are the multiples of 4?
4, 8, 12.
4, 8, 12. What else? And the list goes on, right? We can continue. So what is the lowest common multiple of the two?
8.
It's
8.
definitely
How did I get 16?
definitely 8. Definitely 8. Definitely 8. Okay, good. So
Okay, Tony.
so the LCM is the LCM. Trying to find. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is going to be 8. Right? Y'all catch on really quickly. Like y'all, I'm really impressed. So 4 and 8 is going to be 8. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply each term by what?
8.
We're gonna multiply each fraction by 8. So it's gonna be 8 here. Multiply this also by 8. So multiply this also by 8. So 8 times 1 is going to be what? 8. And we put the 8 what? Back as well. This, then it's going to be 2. Then it's going to be 8 times 1, which is going to be what? 8, right? All over 4, right? Then we have 8 times 1. What is 8 times 1? That's going to be 8.
8.
Very good. Then we have 8 divided by 8, which is what?
1.
1. 1, very good. 8 divided by 4, which is what?
2.
2, very good. And let me just bring down this 8. So it's 1 to 2 to 8. How many persons got that? Let me know if you all got that.
I
1 to
got
2
that.
to 8.
I did.
Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Exceptional job, guys. Very good. Okay, good. Now, let's go ahead and do the second one. What y'all got for the second one?
1, 3, 9. 1 to 3 to 9.
1 to 3 to 9?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, good. So let's check that. So we have good. So this LCM. So we have the LCM. Define the LCM of 9 and 3. But you could just literally look at it and get the LCM. You all know that, right? What is the LCM?
9.
9. It was 9.
9. So the multiples of 9 are what?
9, 18.
9, 18,
18. 27. 27.
27. Very good.
36. 36.
36. And the list goes on, right? So we don't have to list all of the multiples because we already know what the lowest common multiple is. So what are the multiples of 3?
3, 6, 9, 12. And we stop there.
Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12. We should stop there for real. It is y, so we just stop right there. All right, so good. So that means that the LCM is going to be, so we're it's gonna be 9? Yeah, 9. So 9 is the LCM. You all got LCM for 9 is LCM, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the LCM is of 9 and 3 is 9. Good. So now what we need to do is we need to take 9, we need to multiply it by what?
Multiplied by
Multiply by
Multiply it by
1.
multiply by what?
9.
By 9 in each case. Very good. Multiply by 9. Multiply by 9.
and multiply by 9.
Multiply by 9. 9 times 1 is
9.
9. Very good. So it's 9 over what?
9.
9 over 9. So 9 over 9. 2. 9 times 1 is 9 over 3. 2. 9 times 1 is definitely going to be 9. Good. Okay, so then we have 9 divided by 9. What is 9 divided by 9?
1.
1. Very good. Two. 9 divided by 3 is
3.
3. 2. We just bring down the 9. So I get 1 to 3 to 9. How many persons got that as well? 1 to 3
I
to
got
9.
that.
I did.
You got that? Very
I
good.
got that.
I did.
That's good. That's good. Okay, so now we know how to do like when it's like with fractions. And I am very proud of y'all because y'all started off not doing this and now y'all got all right. Anyone, how many persons got all right? Put 1 in the chat if you got both right. Let me see. Put 1 in the chat if you got both correct. Very good, Genesis. Very good, Tyler. And the list goes on. Very good. Y'all did pretty good. All right, so I wanna do another one, right? So we won't have enough time to like, do all of it, but I just want to introduce it, right? So this is another type that we could get into once tomorrow, God spell life. But I want y'all just to see at least one question on it. This is the first. We go through math and we have a single quiz. Look at that. Wow. I don't know.
And I actually wanted a quiz.
You wanted a quiz, right?
I was fine without the quiz. I always behind on them.
All right, so we definitely should have quizzes tomorrow. All right, for those who like them stuff. I don't mind quizzes. I kind of like them. It's a good way, especially if they multiple choice. I hate quizzes that are not multiple choice. If they're not multiple choice, I don't really like it. Okay, so with this one, we have 85. So we have to write this in simplest form, right? So we have 85 cents to $2. So we have 85 cents to $2. So how are we going to express this in simplest form? Any ideas? Any ideas?
I have an idea.
Go ahead, Tyler.
You could turn the $2 into 200 cents. So it'll be easier to do it.
Okay. Do we agree with Tyler? She is saying that we need to change
Yeah,
something.
I think I do.
So, yeah,
To
so I
something.
agree.
Yes, sir.
Y'all agree with Tyler? Tyler, they agreeing with you?
Yes,
Look at
sir.
that. Tyler, they're saying they agree with you. Okay, so she's absolutely right. And now, but why though? Why do we need to change the units? Why we can't just do 2 and 85? Why we can't just
So it could
because
be
it won't go
easier to
like
simplify.
Because they are not like yeah,
they're not like what? They don't have the
I
same
think
what?
units.
Very good. They do not have the same units. So this is very important, class. Whenever you're doing ratio problems and the units are different, you have to make sure the units are the same. That is very important. All right. So if the units are different, your first order of business should be to make the units the same. You could do it two ways. You could either change the cents into dollars, or you could change the dollars into cents. It's your however you want to do it. I think Tyler's way is the best way, because why would you try to change 85 cents to a dollar? That don't mean it. Why would you do that? Why would you want to work with a decimal? So the best thing to do, and I think Tyler was spot on, was to change $2 into cents. Now, how many cents is $2?
200.
200.
200 cents. 200 cents. Very good. Y'all are pretty good. So let's go ahead and do it, right? So we have 85 cents to $2. In order for me to change it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna multiply 2 by 100, right? I just want to show the working. So 2 by 100 and 2 by 100 gives me what? 200,
200.
right?
200.
So now I have 85 cents to 200 cents. So what am I going to use to simplify? Or how am I going to simplify this?
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5.
We divide with 85.
You want to divide by 85? You want to use 85 straight away?
I guess.
You want to start with 85? 85 is big. I mean, that's so okay, so let's use, let me see what I use. Yeah, let's use 5.
You divide 2 by 85.
Yeah, let's use 5. Let's use 5 because I mean, yeah, we'll have to do it multiple times, but at least we know 85 could go into 85 and 200. Let me ask you a question. How do you know that 5 could go into 285? Like, how do you know? Like, do you know the divisibility rules?
It ends in a 5
It ends in
and it
5.
ends in 0.
There you go. As long as it ends with a 5 and a 0, they're divisible, right? It's divisible by 5. So 85 divided by 5 and 200 divided by 5. When you do 85 divided by 5, what you get? 85 divided by 5.
17.
17. Anyone else got 17?
17.
17. When you do 200 divided by 5, what you get?
40.
40. So let's go ahead and do the working. So let me show it. So we say, how many times does 5 go into 85? So 5 goes into 80. Well, 5 goes into 8 once, right? 5 times 1 is 5. So we subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. We bring down the 5. How many times does 5 go into 35?
7 times.
7 times. Very good. 5 times 7 is 35. And so we have 35 minus 35, which is 0. So that means that it is going to be 17 on this side. So we have 17 on this side. 2, what? That you have to do 200 divided by 5. Which also, when you divide 200 by 5, what do you get?
40.
40. Say it again.
40.
40. Okay. 40. So we have 5 into what? 5 into 200. So we say how many 5 times is 5 going to 20? That's going to be 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And we say 20 minus 20. That's going to be 0 and 0. We bring down the 0. How many times is 5 going to 0?
0.
0 times. Yeah, 0 times. 0 minus 0 is
0.
0. So that's going to be 0 and 0. So that means that 5 going to 220 times. So it's going to be 17 to 20. Can we simplify this some more?
No, sir.
No. We can't simplify this some more. Anyone else? Can we simplify this some
Because
more?
one is odd and the other one is even.
Cleveland, very close. One is prime.
No, it's because what? It's prime.
One is prime.
Prime and one is composite.
Composite, yeah. Yeah, one is prime and the other one is composite. So it's a good eye you have, Cleveland. Very good. So he's right. Like this one is 17. That's prime. That's a prime number. Right? If it's a prime number, then it only could go into 1 in itself, right? And 20, obviously 20 is even. 22 could go into 20, but the problem is that, well, you know, the other one is not even. So there's a problem, a big problem. All right.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
why did you put 20 there instead of 40 if 40 is the quotient?
Why did I put 20?
Oh, yeah. Good thing it
It's
gets
40. It is 40. It is 40. 17 to 40. I was trying to test you all, right? So that y'all feel that Miserably, except for
That was not a test.
Sure.
yes, I'm trying to test y'all.
That's a funny test.
Funny test, right? But very good, very good. I don't know why I put 20. I don't know why I put 20. Very good catch. So it is I can't tell you why I put 20. It is 17 to 40. Let me just keep my answers here, yeah? So 17 to 40. Good. All right. All right, so take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. We have time for one more. Unfortunately, we do not. So take a picture of this. We don't, right? So take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to go ahead and do it, please. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, right after this, we're gonna go into language. And in language, we're going to be able to select our class president by way of Kahoot. By way of Kahoot. So I'm sure y'all are gonna be excited for that. And I can't wait to see who will be the class president. I can't wait to see.
Don't speak too fast, Avni.
I'm speaking fast.
All right. I'm sure all y'all would do well. But there only can be one class president. So yeah, that's the only thing. But you know, they could be like senators. We have like senators and stuff. Anyone want to be? Yeah, we have senators and stuff. All right, so take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. If you're not doing English language, you can quietly say goodnight in the chat. And then you can leave. But if we are doing English language, you could stay back. Or if you just want to participate in the
Who time?
Then
The,
that's
the
fine.
class president.
The class president, yeah, if you want to do that, that's fine. All right, so first of all, let me tell you all the time it has been girls who have won. So the odds are the girl is gonna win again. But it may be so that a young man would be able to get it. So hopefully that is the case. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to be looking at so let's go ahead, let's begin, right? So we have to begin because I want to give y'all enough time for the Kahoot. Last time David like, oh, we didn't have enough time. Didn't have enough time, Mr. T.
So I remember that day specifically because she was complaining there wasn't enough questions.
Yeah.
Because there wasn't enough questions.
You were just moving too slow.
I wasn't moving too slow.
Oh boy, you already start. All right, so.
So are you doing a Kahoot for the whole period or?
No, we gotta. I gotta give y'all the content first. Y'all just want to start it with no content, nothing. That'll be good.
I mean,
yes, sir.
I'd actually prefer that.
I think you should do it so we could see what we actually know.
I think we should.
Yeah, probably.
If you know, you know.
Give us some content, please, at least.
That could be terrible.
Zero content.
That is gonna be terrible. I would not do that. Also. All right,
I think we should do a dry run and then we go back again and do yeah.
No. All right, so today we're gonna be looking at vocabulary in context. So basically, the Kahoot is going to be it's gonna be about it's gonna be a bunch of different sentences, and you're gonna have to figure out what word fits the right context, right? So in order for you to know that, I'm not gonna give you all the words. So I'm gonna I'm gonna make it I'm gonna give you all some of it, so at least you get a fighting chance, right? So I'm gonna give you some of the words, not all of the words. So some of them you just have to like figure it out on your own. And that way we could know who's the real class president. So go ahead. So you have a sum up a question.
The green thing.
The
green thing.
The map is still on screen.
The math is still on the screen?
You
The
still see it
drawings,
working.
the green.
Okay, let's see. I will now.
It's
No,
gone.
still not gone.
It's gone? Okay. It was already gone from my screen, so that's my bad. I apologize. All right, so first word is you'll have opportunity to guess. We're not gonna take very long in guessing, right? We ain't just saying we're gonna be all day. But it start with C.
Conundrum.
No. C-O.
Contact.
No.
Conjunction.
Nope.
Oh.
Context.
No.
Compatibility.
Condemnation.
Content.
No.
Converse.
Context
No.
clues.
No.
Contentious. Contempt.
Contentment.
Contempt.
No. Nope.
Oh man.
Contemptation.
Nope.
Contemporous.
No.
Contemplate.
Contemplate.
I get that
Contemplate.
first. I get that
Very
first. I
good.
get that first.
Contemplate.
I'm gonna
Very
contemplate why I'm here right now.
Contemplate. What does contemplate mean?
To think
Decide.
extensively or something like that.
To think about stuff, right? To think deeply about something. To think deeply about something. I'm just gonna give you all the definitions. Y'all gonna have to think deeply about something. Y'all gonna have to figure out which word is being used in the sentence, right? So I really hope that this helped you all. Okay, so the next word is begins with the G.
GG.
Graphical.
No. GR.
Graphic.
Created.
No.
Grotesque.
No.
Grotesque.
No. There's only someone said it.
Grimace.
Someone said it. Someone said it. Grim. Grim.
I said
Grim. Yeah, I heard grim.
If I don't win this, I'm gonna.
What does grim mean?
Like melancholic
Horror. Or
sad.
something like that.
Depressed.
Yeah.
Not
Not happy.
enjoying.
Not happy.
Yeah.
Serious. Right? Serious or what? Or frightening. Or frightening.
Yeah.
That's what grim means, right? Grim. Okay. Adasa, tell me the definition of contemplate.
To think deeply about something.
To think deeply about something. Very good. And Amari, tell me the definition of grim.
To not be happy, serious, or frightening.
Very good. Very good. So the next word is it starts with T. So T.
Terrified.
Turbulent.
Turbulent. Very good.
You got lucky.
Run that back.
I to be honest, I did get lucky, but like
Yeah, turbulent. Turbulent. All right. What is turbulent? What does turbulent mean?
Rocky, like in the air.
Yeah. So
not smooth.
Speed.
Not smooth. So something that is like something that's rough.
Confusion.
Yeah. So an experience. So an experience that is. Let me just say. Yeah, an experience that is not what. Let's say that is rough, wild,
bumpy,
shaky.
Not pleasant.
Yeah. Right. Or full of sudden movement. That's like when your parents in a rush and when you're all in the car and they just moving and then traffic and then this and then that. So it's like a turbulent experience. Or maybe when you're in a ride, you're in a ride and it's going up and down and up and down and up and down, turbulent. Or it also be referred to like the wind, right? So like it's like a lot of wind, right? I want to give you all a Z word. I don't really have a lot of Z words, but this is a good one.
Zygote.
No.
Zygote.
No.
Zebra.
No.
Xylophone?
Yeah, you get all them wrong with your side.
Tyrannofailure.
Zebra.
No.
Zygote.
No.
Zealand?
Jealous?
Zealous,
Zeal.
zealous,
Very close.
whatever.
Zealous.
Just move the us.
Zell.
Zeal?
Zell.
Zeal.
Zeal.
Zeal. Zeal. Y'all know what zeal mean?
No,
Not
no
at
clue.
all.
I have no
Like
clue.
to be
Zeal.
happy.
I'm
Wait,
so
wait,
glad you
wait.
given us this, cause like I wouldn't have known for the test.
Oh, wow. What does zeal mean?
To be like happy and do something like with joy, I think.
Yeah.
Okay,
With
okay.
enthusiasm.
I think the word
Thank you.
gives like an emotion type of vibe.
Very good. Someone said it with joy, with enthusiasm. I like that. So that's what zeal
Great
means. Zeal,
energy.
great energy. Very good. So a lot of energy, a lot
Hold
of
on, Mr.
energy,
Petit, look.
energy and excitement.
Zeal rhymes with meal. And when
It
I
does.
have a good meal, I with a lot of energy, I happy and excited.
Yes. So zeal refers to more than just like frantic excitement. It refers to something that is like you serious about it. It's not just like, oh, happy go lucky, run around. It's like something that it's like you on a mission. You ever like watch like watch a movie and then the superhero, something happened to his family and then he just get a lot of passion to do stuff or something happened and then he just want to do it
The
like,
rising action.
yeah. So like zeal refers to something that you're passionate about, something that you're serious about. So zeal has like a serious undertone. It's not a playful word. It's a strong, serious word. So like people will be like, people have a lot of zeal for their religion, right? People have a lot of zeal for their family. People have a lot of zeal for maybe the business that they're undertaking. So zeal means something that you almost like you willing to die for, right? So that's what zeal has, that
So if that's what I
serious
mean, how can
undertone,
you put that?
because you have to have a lot of energy, like or excitement,
Yeah,
or
so
yeah, it has a serious undertone to it, but because it could also mean the lightheart. It could, but usually when we talk about zeal, it's usually with like you know something that is serious.
Excuse me,
All right,
Mr. P.
go ahead.
Could you use like zeal in sentence?
Want me to use zeal in the sentence?
That's all.
Yes,
I
let me.
can't. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's what the quiz is for.
he is zealous about his religion.
He is zealous about his religion, yes. But that's zealous. He said zeal.
I'd have a lot of zeal if I was
Zeal.
class
Zeal.
president.
He has a lot
Yeah,
of zeal
okay,
for
I'd
her
have a lot of
religion.
zeal if I was class president.
Okay, all right. Well, think about something that you have a lot of passion for, right? That you don't want it to like you don't want to lose it, right? So it could be
Playing game and eating junk food and candy.
never
I
mind.
have zeal for basketball.
You have zeal
And
for
calling
basketball.
people and
I have a zeal
saying people
for softball.
You have a zeal for okay. You have a zeal for
I have a
softball.
zeal for saying people look psycho.
Basketball.
So you have a zeal to in order to like to be the best that you could be, right? So that's what I mean by zeal. Okay, so next one is going to be um okay. This one is O. Start with O.
Opulent.
Obscure.
Obscure. Very good.
Oh my god.
Obscure. Obscure. All right. What do we mean by obscure?
Something that's really strange.
Strange.
It's like
Hidden.
out of the way. It's not like regular.
Yeah, it's not
It's like
normal.
hidden or can't see or something like that.
Abnormal.
Yeah, abnormal. Abnormal hitting. The meaning is hitting. It's hard to understand. It's not clear, right? So
It's like a feeling like that people opinion where they express their feelings. Like you could understand if you really kind of look at it and think about it, but
yeah,
you like don't at the same time.
very good, very good. So it's obscure. It's a meaning. Oh gosh, I go on to the next one. So it's not clear. It's not easy to see. It has a hidden meaning. It has something hidden about it, right? So that's what I mean by obscure. Strange, random, like. All right. So The next word is going to be, I don't want to give you all the words, but all right, let's do this one. C-H.
Complication.
Choir, chorale, church,
Challenge.
Wow. Okay.
chop up,
Christ.
Christ,
Chronological.
chronological,
Very good. Chronological.
oh,
I was gonna say chronological.
Chronological. Very good. What does chronological mean? Chronological. What does that mean?
in
In
order,
order.
in order of
From
events,
least to greatest.
basically,
Very good. In order.
from
In order.
start to begin to end.
Very good. In order from start to end. So something that is arranged in order that things happen in time. Okay, arrange in order. I say in the order that things happen in time. That's what I mean by chronological. Good. Next word, number 7.
Oh my god.
I'm only gonna give you all 10. There we go. Go on to the quiz.
Only 10?
Just
I
10.
thought it could be more.
It's gonna be 10 questions again.
No, it's gonna be more than 10 questions, but I only can give you all 10.
11.
or 17?
I can't give
You
you all
should
that
give us
information.
like 6, 7 questions.
6, 7
Oh my
questions.
god, bro. Get out of
I
here,
just had a
bro.
feeling. I just had a feeling in my spirit.
I got a
All right, so
feeling in my bones.
S.
Spend.
So
Sacrifice.
No.
stenography.
Street,
Staff.
stationary.
Stationary. Very good.
Woo!
Stationary.
I
Stationary.
really like that.
Look like we have a class, a male class president today. Look like.
Absolutely not.
I'm coming up.
Look like we
I
having
am
a male.
On my watch.
right now. I am the acting assistant of the assistant of the assistant of the assistant. Cause like,
All right, so
I got a lot of assistants.
so what does stationary mean? What does stationary mean?
To be at a place, like
To be
Like
still.
not
to
moving
be
in one
at a
place,
place.
not
Same
mobile.
place.
Very good.
like to
Very
be
good.
at your own.
To be at your own, to be at the rest, to be station, to be in one place, not moving.
Not
Right?
intended to move.
Very good. That's what stationary means. You're not moving. Right? So something is stationary, it is literally not moving. Right? So not moving. Good. Number 8. We have 2 more. And then we're gonna move on to the moment of truth. The moment of truth. All right, so
Zygote.
this one is
Excuse
G.
me.
Go ahead.
Great.
Are
Gigantic.
we ready
Good.
this?
You're writing this down. Yes, you're writing this down.
Giraffe.
Generous.
A.
Gaping.
Gratuity.
No.
Gratuity.
Gargantuous.
Garden.
Gorgeous.
Arctic phone.
Garden.
Garden.
Gary.
Gary the snail.
Farmer.
Say it again.
Farmer.
Orange. Garantuous.
No.
That's what I said.
Garutus.
Gartudity. I don't
No.
know.
Garum.
Garant.
No.
Garrulous.
Garrulous.
Yes. Garrulous. Garrulous. Yes.
What
I
is
so
these
glad you gave us
words?
that. I would not
Say
know
what are
that
these
word.
words? Garrulous. What does garrulous means?
I have no clue.
Really talkative.
Talkative. Very good.
I never
Talkative.
read the word.
Talkative. So
So
the
now I have 2 words to call people.
no, you don't.
Garrulous and
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Garrulous.
what I do. And
The-
I go.
The garrulous student talk throughout the lesson.
I
right?
know, right?
So garrulous means not just talkative, very talkative. But we don't have nobody in there like that. All y'all are pretty good.
I'd hope not.
Okay, number 9.
Can't wait to use that word.
Second. Number 9. All right, so number 9 is
Mr. Boutique, with great power comes with great responsibility. And I know if I have that.
all right, T.
Trust.
Terrific.
That's a good word.
Terrain.
No, no.
Tender.
Tentacle.
Tenure.
Tenacity.
Precious.
Tensure. Tentacles.
Tenderness.
No.
Tentacle.
Tentacle.
Tentacuous. Tentative.
Tentative. Very good. I heard several people say it is right. Tentative. What does tentative mean?
It means it's tentative.
To pay attention.
Pay attention.
No. No.
To focus on.
Focus.
No.
It's tentative.
Not fully developed.
No. What does tentative mean?
I don't know.
Not certain.
To put all your.
Not certain. Not certain.
Yeah, I'm not really tentative right now.
Not certain. So tentative mean, so let's say if we have a schedule and I say this schedule is tentative. What does that mean?
The schedule is uncertain.
Uncertain
It's
thoughts.
sketchy.
That means that
professional.
not professional. It means that it's subject to change. So that means that if I say we will meet at my house on Saturday at 8:30 tentatively. That means that
I mean, it could change.
Yeah, that means that we could do it. I want to do it, but it could change. I'm still not sure, right?
So like 6 or 7?
So
Please.
no.
Stop it.
I didn't start that, man.
No. All right, so tentative means not sure, but that's a good example to use, by the way. Not sure or not yet confident. All right, that's what I mean by tentative. So it's pending. It's still trying to figure out like what it is, right? Being sure yet. It's not permanent. It could change, right? Okay. And then we have the next one, which is it's our final one. Start with M.
Major.
Monopolize.
Magnify.
Monopoly.
Nope.
Mediterranean.
Manufacture.
No.
Manufacture.
Manifestation.
Manifestation is a nice word. No.
Manifesting.
Maximum.
Manipulative.
Close.
Manipulated.
Manipulator.
Hold on. Manipulation.
Close.
Manipulation.
Close. Past tense.
Manipulated.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you. If you said manipulated, very good. I probably didn't know you. But it is manipulated. All right, what does manipulated mean?
To trick or deceive.
Very good. Very good. So to trick or deceive. I like that definition, Kane. We could use that.
Wasn't manipulated to be like tricked?
Yeah, to be tricked, to be deceived, to be fooled.
To take advantage of.
To take advantage of. Very good. To swing in our colloquial language. Right? All right. So what I want you to do is take a screenshot of this. Y'all probably so nervous. But take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
And excited. I feel zeal maybe about this Kahoot. No, I feel zeal tentatively about this Kahoot.
Oh gosh. He's in all them words wrong.
I know, right? But like I am so excited.
All right, so take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Take it. Go ahead, Tyler.
Can you send the Kahoot to my phone, please, so it'll be easier, so I don't have to switch tabs?
Yeah, no problem. I could send it to your phone as well. All right, so let me go ahead and
send it to my phone too, please.
You have the message me so I could test. Who is that speaking?
Keyshawn.
Okay, no problem, Keyshawn. So what I'm gonna message me, Keyshawn, type your name, and then I can be able to send it to you. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen with you all. This is gonna be good. I can't wait to see who will do it. Who will
No,
come up?
like just
Who will,
Excuse me.
go ahead.
Can I just watch the game go?
Who's that speaking?
Or Kyle Linden?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. You have to take part of it. It's not a matter of coming first. It's just a matter of being able to
Participation.
participate. Yes, and you'll be
All right.
surprised how good you will do. I'm serious. I promise you'll be surprised. You may even be it. So
Wait, what's the prize?
say you become class president, and you get all the rights and privileges.
Bragging rights.
Bragging rights.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want it again. I don't want it. I don't want it. I
Yeah.
just want to watch. I don't want it.
Yeah. No, it doesn't matter. You have to participate though. It's a class activity, so you have to participate.
All
All
right
right.
then.
Yeah. All right. So let's go.
I just sent mine.
You sent
Can we
yours?
hear the Kahoot music now?
I didn't fix that. I think it
I
only works.
also typed my name.
You type in it. Okay, good, no problem.
I got a
So
new computer
Wait,
just for
you
this.
know the link was
They really love these reactions.
say it again.
Mr. Bertini, I already sent my book.
Okay, good, perfect. So let me go ahead and
I'm not even doing that.
there's no y'all should. There's no reactions. Ain't no
There's
reaction.
no reactions?
Oh, y'all? No, I don't know. I'm not seeing any reactions.
My screen full of reactions, Miss Petite.
Mine's too.
Yeah.
Me also.
Someone's sending bunch of reactions.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me fix that.
It can't be one person though.
Okay, and it's not shown. It's shown on your screen, but it's not shown on mine.
You probably
like
have
they
the setting
spamming it.
enabled or something.
Oh,
No,
okay.
they like really spamming it like
Okay, let me see.
really.
Oh, I see. I could see it now, but I can't see it when. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, but I can't see it. So I thought if I couldn't see it, y'all couldn't see it.
I mean, these people send an entire wave of them, man.
Yeah.
You write a whole paragraph about them.
Okay, so y'all could see my screen? Let me know if y'all could see it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you send it to my phone, please?
Excuse me,
I
hold on,
can't.
hold on, Mr.
Can you
Petite.
send a link, please?
Excuse me, Mr. Petite.
Could you send it to
Mr.
my
Petite,
phone?
I think you should do it in a different.
Okay, so what I'll do is I will put it inside the chat, and then for those who want me to send to their phone, I will do it. Just
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
1 second.
Just
okay, just I'm gonna put the link in the chat as well. So everyone. Okay, so you could just click on the link, or you just could use the pin, and y'all should be good. All right, so someone need. Okay, there are persons who need. If you need it, just type your name in the WhatsApp, and I'll be able to send it to you like that. Tyler, type your name so it can pop up for me. Brianna, okay. What's one is Shannon. Okay. Tyler. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, that's all I see.
Thank you.
No problem. Y'all can't hear the music, right? Kaden, want me to send?
Back to the code, please. We
Okay,
can't
no.
really hear the music.
No problem. Okay. Go back to the
Yeah, I
code.
can't hear, but I want to though.
I know, right? It's a nice music. All right, so we have the Avengers today. All right, so quickly log on because I want to start the quiz. All right. All right.
Mind if I join too?
If I mind, go ahead and join.
You
Of
will send me
course.
the link.
Send you the link. Okay, so it's in the chat. Or you want me to send it to your phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I could do that. All right, so send me a message with your name.
There's 44 people in here?
Wait, so what type of questions gonna be on the code?
That would be. It's just gonna be It's just gonna be
A message.
okay, use message. Okay. I don't know if everyone could join. Some people might just have to watch. I think there's a
So
limit.
what's to
I
be the
think
question?
44 is enough.
I think, yeah. All right, so
How many questions are there?
I think there's 25, I think. But y'all have to like check.
I have a question. What would be what's questions? What type of questions exactly?
Okay, so the questions are literally, it's just gonna give you a sentence, and you have to fill in the blank. So like you have to use a vocabulary word, or they're gonna give you like options, like what words fit, and you have to pick what words fit. That makes sense?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So now for those of you who never used Kahoot before, let me tell you all this. You have to be fast. If you're not fast, it's not gonna work. So you have to be as fast as you can. That's the first thing. The second thing that you have to do when you ever use Kahoot is that you're gonna see like colors on the screen. You're gonna see colors like shapes. You have to click on the shapes on your side. All right, make sure click on the shapes. So the shapes refer to like the words. So make sure click on that. So it's 4 options. Every time you click on the right one. I am going to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
6,
4,
7.
3, 2,
6,
1. 1. Let's go. Let's go,
21.
everyone. All right.
6, 9.
All right. Shh. We want the people to concentrate. It's 25 questions. Based on your grades, it's blank. You will have to start studying harder. Based on your grades, it is a blank. You will have to start studying harder. Based on your grade, it is blank. You will have to start studying harder. Type in the correct one, click the correct one. Based on your grades, it's blank. You will have to start studying harder. Put your answers here. It is blank. You have to start studying harder. All right. And that's time. What's the correct word? Apparent.
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 Oh my gosh.
All right, let's see what the top. Let's see what the top. Layla. Okay.
I get it all, y'all.
No, I'm not taking this disrespect. I'm not taking.
All right, next question. If you work hard now, you will see the blank of your efforts later. If you work hard now, you will see the blank of your efforts later. If you work hard now, you will see the blank of your efforts later. If you work hard now, you will see the blank of your efforts later. If you work hard now, you will see the blank of your efforts later. What is the correct one? Most persons got it. What y'all put? The answer is benefit. Benefit. Very good, guys. Let's see the scoreboard. Wow. That changed quickly. That changed quickly.
Of course, man. He's sweating.
We might have a boy president. Let's go, Logan.
I'm not accepting that actually.
All right. Let's move on. I need time to blank before I come up with an answer to this. I need time to blank before I come up with an answer to this. I need time to blank before I have an answer to this. I need time to what? I need time to blank before I have an answer to this. All right. I need time to blank before I come up with an answer to this. Wow, most of y'all got it. The answer was contemplate. Wow. Y'all have the answer
Oh, you
quickly.
went down. That's nice.
All right, next. All right. Please do not blank the scientist while she's working on the problem. Please do not blank the scientist while she's working on the problem.
I'm on that.
Please do not blank the scientist while she's working on a problem. Wow, you all did very well. Distract the scientist. Okay, everyone got it. Oh, wow, people are coming off. I can't see Daphne no more.
This is not fair. This is not fair. It's not fair.
I'm gonna take it how it is. I'm
All
not
right.
moving as quickly.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, Tony. Okay, after 4 days of rain, the students were blank to go out for recess. After 4 days of rain, the students were blank to go out for recess. After 4 days of rain, the students were blank to go out for recess. This one is easy. After 4 days of rain, the students were blank to go out for recess. They were what? After 4 days of rain, the students were blank to go out for recess. Very good. Eager. They were eager. All right. No one changed.
I
All right.
get you, Ethan.
Next. The mouse timidly crept out into the field to blank for nuts and seeds. The mouse timidly crept out into the field to blank for nuts and seeds. The mouse timidly crept out into the field to blank for nuts and seeds. All right. The mouse timidly crept into the field to blank for nuts and seeds. What y'all have for this one? The mouse timidly crept out into the field to blank for nuts and seeds. Forage. Very good. Forage. Oh boy, this.
Yes,
Oh
was
boy.
bad.
Oh boy.
Bad again.
No,
Oh
it's not
boy.
fair. This is not fair.
Wow. Next. It's only 7. It's more than 25. You all have time to catch up. With the water and food running low, the stranded people's future look blank. With the water and food running low, the stranded
I'm cooking
people's
right now.
future
I'm cooking.
look blank. With the water and food running
Logan,
low,
hold your head,
the
boy.
scratch
Hold your head.
I lost my squeak.
with the water and food
Good.
running low, the stranded people future look blank.
Guys, it's gourmand.
Trust, dude. Trust.
Very good. It's grim.
Dude, one person listen
It's
to me.
grim.
One person listen to me.
That's
All right.
crazy.
Wow.
6'7", 6'7".
It's literally 6'7".
God, that's
It's
6'7".
6'7".
Not again.
Literally. All right. Guys, y'all still have a lot of time because we have like a lot of questions left. So don't think you're out of it.
How I get in 30th place?
I
still
think we
get
only
Dead
should do
last.
10
I am
questions.
36th place.
Alright.
I think we only should do 10 questions.
All right, next.
Never again.
Even though she was the star soccer player, she showed blank and praised others. Even though she was the star soccer player, she showed blank and praised others. Even though she was a star soccer player, she showed blank and praised others.
Guys, it's turbulence trust.
Trust us.
It's
Humanity, bro.
green,
It's humanity. It's humanity.
All right, give people opportunity to think. Don't talk while it is.
Wait,
Man,
that's
Wow, wow.
Inspiration is
Wow.
crazy.
Wait,
Humility.
I saw you give her the right answer.
Wow. Let's go,
Miss
Ethan.
Pretty, you see me?
I see you. Let's go.
Oh, can I
Alright.
come
we
in
don't
too, bro?
need
I tell
the
you,
bell
I tell you, I come through, Logan.
I just wanted to be a boy at this point, bro.
All right, next. It's only 9. I didn't mean to blank that your dress looked bad on you. I didn't mean to blank that your dress looked bad on you.
Why answer that slow?
I didn't mean to blank
Bro, send that
that
to
your dress looked
We
bad on
in
you.
bro. We in
I didn't mean to blank that your dress looked bad on you. What is the correct answer here? Very good. Most persons got it. Imply. Very good.
Ethan, just let me go.
This is
Wow. Wow. All right, let's go.
Bird.
I can tell you this paper is ripped, not cut, because of its blank edges. I can tell you this paper is ripped, not cut, because of its blank edges. I can tell
I
this
got that
paper
wrong.
is ripped,
I got that wrong.
not cut, because of its blank edges. The picture, it says it all. I can tell this paper is ripped, not cut, because of its blank edges.
Okay, excuse me. I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
I can't quit this point. I didn't tell
No,
last. It's over
no. Still participate. We only only 10 questions. Jagged.
Oh,
Very
I got
good.
that. Oh yeah.
Very good. Wow, people falling off.
That's amazing.
Oh yeah, top 3 is boys. Yeah, we got this.
Top 3 is boys. This has never happened. We never had
We have come to new beginnings.
All right, let's go.
New beginnings and new
I have
ends
been
right here.
suffering from a blank of sleep lately. I have been suffering from a blank of sleep lately. I have been suffering from a blank of sleep lately. I have been suffering from a blank of sleep lately. I have been struggling. I have been suffering from a blank of sleep lately. Lack of sleep. No one got this wrong. Thank God. Good. All right. Let's move on. All right. When I think about the troubles in the world, I become quite blank. When I think about the troubles in the world, I become quite blank. When I think about the troubles in the world, I become quite blank.
I glad. I guess. I guess.
might
I
fall
guess
off.
at
I
this
might
point.
fall off.
Yes,
I'm done. I
tell my
get
soul.
When
it
I
wrong. I
think
get it
about the
wrong.
troubles in
You
the
should
world,
give
I
us
become
this.
Oh no,
Ron,
no,
you get a
no.
rewind.
melancholy.
Yes, sir.
Melancholy.
Oh my God.
Let's see.
Don't even sound
Let's
I
see.
was
grammatically
thinking
correct.
about that, but
That's
I
right.
didn't.
What?
Oh yeah.
I still
I still
get
on
the
that.
information, so I
I
think
still on
good.
that. I still on that.
Let's
Wow.
go. Let's go.
Wow. Logan
Let's go,
Paul
Ethan.
right.
Let's go, Ethan.
Logan
Ethan, you got this.
Lock in. Lock in.
Ethan F and A, bro.
All right.
I tell you, Logan. I tell you, Logan. I tell you.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
It's 3-2 boys to
He
girls.
blanked the recipe by using butter instead of oil. He blanked the recipe by using butter instead of oil. He blanked the recipe by using butter instead of oil. This is interesting. People moving, it's shifting. Boy, anyone could get in. He blanked the recipe by using butter instead of oil. He modified, very good. He modified the recipe. Wow. Wow.
I'm
Wow.
15 points behind.
Wow. Okay, let's go. You can't blank your responsibilities and just play all day. You can't blank your responsibilities and just play all day. You can't blank your responsibilities and just play all day.
Or can I?
You can't blank your responsibilities and just play all day. Very good. Neglect. Neglect. Wow. All right, let's go. She kept the details of her adventure blank, and we never found out what really happened. She kept the details of her adventure blank, and we never found out what really happened. She kept the details of her adventure blank, and we never found out what really happened. She kept the details of her adventure blank, and we never found out what really happened. She kept the details of her adventure blank, and we never found out what really happened. She kept the details of her adventure obscure. Very good, obscure. All right, everything stays the same. Let's go.
I'm getting closer.
Sometimes I'm concerned about how others blank me. 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 What is the correct word here? Sometimes I'm concerned about how others blank me. Perceive. Very good. Perceive. Wow. Everyone's staying the same. No one moving. No one moving. All right. Take a few minutes and blank the question before you jump to a conclusion. Take a few minutes and blank the question before you jump to a conclusion. Take a few minutes and blank the question before you jump to a conclusion. Take a few minutes and blank the question before you blank. Take a few minutes and blank the question before you jump to a conclusion. Very good. Ponder. Ponder.
Mr. Petit!
Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. All right. The boys stay up all night filling the house with blank laughter. The boys stay up all night filling the house with blank laughter. The boys stay up all night filling the house with blank laughter. The boys stay up all night filling the house with blank laughter. Wow.
Miss Putty, you see me? Miss Putty, you see me? Mr. Putty!
Wow. Wow.
I wasn't coming back to play.
Wow.
W.
Wow. Are we gonna let a girl become class president again?
No, no, no.
Okay, all right.
I need a
Dominic.
second turn.
All right.
I
Dominic.
hope she know. If she get one wrong, she
Dominic, it's
automatic.
Who
yours.
said I'm getting something wrong?
Dominic, it's yours for the taking.
Huh?
Dominic.
We'll see. We'll see.
Dominic, it's yours for the taking. All right,
You
we'll
will
see.
get just like Logan.
All right, let's go. That girl blanked me in the hallway, and I didn't even look back when I called her. That girl blanked me in the hallway, and I didn't even look back when I called her. That girl blanked me in the hallway and didn't even look back when I called her. That girl blanked me in the hallway and didn't even look back when I called her. That
That
girl.
was such a gas.
Amka. Never mind.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Snub. Yes, the correct answer is
Mr. Pt.1,
snub.
why just don't press the remove participant button?
No. No. No.
Boy, but you're
Can I remove
different,
you?
boy.
No. All right, let's go.
Y'all cool.
The candidates promised that if she were elected mayor, the city would blank. The candidate promised that if she were elected mayor, the city would blank. The candidate promised that if she were elected mayor, the city would blank.
Logan, at this point, I'm rooting for you.
The candidate promised that if she were elected, the city would blank. Wow, everyone, most of us got this right. Oh, wow.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Are we doing anything after this?
After this, no. After this, that's it.
Okay.
All right. All right. Next, we have like 4 more questions, I think. All right. Oh boy. Multi-select. Water plunged down the cliff a few hundred feet into the blank foam below. Water plunged down the cliff a few hundred feet into the blank foam below.
We have to pick multiple answers?
I don't know.
It just said we have to pick 2 answers. You're not serious at all.
Turbulent.
I picked that.
All right, let's see. Very
See,
good.
Miss Bertie, I see how you
Very
be
good.
trying to trick us,
Very
you know.
good.
Wait, what?
Very
I thought you
good.
were the
Why
big
would you
two.
do that? Now my answer streak
I have
is
the
lost, but
highest
I'm still in
answer
first
streak.
place. How does that
All
work?
right, let's go. After a rough sock game, the boy's face was muddy and his hair was blank. After a rough soccer game, the boy's face was muddy and his hair was blank. After a rough soccer game, the boy's face was muddy and his hair was blank. After a rough soccer game, very good, unkept. Coming down to the last few. I think we already know who the winner is. Unless something changes.
Nope.
My mouth watered when I caught the scent of fresh bread blank in the breeze. My mouth watered when I caught the scent of fresh bread blank in the breeze. My mouth watered when I caught the scent of fresh bread blank in the breeze. My mouth watered when I caught the scent of fresh bread blank in the breeze. Very good. Wafting in the breeze. Okay. All right.
Logan, we almost got him. We
No,
almost
Logan.
got him, Logan.
All right. After 2 hours of hiking, every girl in the troop was blank. After 2 hours of hiking, every girl in the troop was blank. After 2 hours of hiking, every girl in the troop was blank. After 2 hours of hiking, every girl in the troop was blank. After 2 hours of hiking, very good, wary. Wow. All right. I think this is the last question.
Again.
Jenny report left out about a lot of facts, but she got credit for her blank and passion for the project. For the subject, sorry. Jenny's report left out a lot of facts, but she got credit for her blank and passion for the subject. Jenny's report left out a lot of facts, but she got credit for her blank and passion for her subject. The last question, guys. The last one. Jenny's report. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, very good. Kanan.
Yeah, you see me,
Kanan.
Mr. Muzzy. You see me.
Logan. And Dominique. Very good, Dominique. Very good.
Alright, GG.
Very good.
GG.
Very good.
Good
And who else?
job.
Janique and Irvin.
GG.
Y'all
I
did
mean,
very
Mr.
well. Y'all did
Bertie,
very
like
well.
I'll take it.
Y'all did
Like
very
we
well.
used to have a girl as the president, but we have a boy as the
Yeah,
vice
we have,
president.
yeah.
though.
Yes, y'all do.
Whoa,
So,
that's a first in history at
so
least.
very good, guys. Y'all did pretty well. Y'all fought very hard, and I think that everyone did very well. So what we'll
Mr.
do,
Petit. Mr.
I'll
Petit.
see you all next week. I mean, not say next week, tomorrow. And so Dominic is class president for until we do this again. Take care, everyone. Dominic,
Excuse
excellent
me, Mr.
job.
Petit.
Go ahead. Yes.
I'm always the
Good
first
night.
person to answer the quizzes, and I always get 100. So I'm literally the best player here. I'm telling you.
Oh, so
And you
them
can't
there.
deny that.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Ethan.
Your character literally looks
Okay.
like Chica from Five Nights from Freddy's.
Go ahead, Ethan.
A certain point in time, I'm not gonna say when, can we challenge the class president?
Yes,
The
you
class
can.
president.
Yes, you can. Once we do it
Okay.
again, you
Okay.
can challenge, right? But
All
right
right,
now,
all
but for
right.
right now,
Hey, I have
Dominic
bragging
is
rights.
Dominic is
Good night,
Logan
Mr.
is Logan is vice president. Kanan is what was Kanan?
Secretary or treasurer,
Secretary.
whatever.
Yeah,
I'll take it.
whatever. And then we have the senators. All right, good stuff, guys.
I come 12.
Good night,
See
Mr.
y'all.
Petit.
Good night, y'all. Take care, everyone.
Thank
Here's
you.
another by
All right.
Screen.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Night.
Y'all did very
night.
well. Y'all did very well.
Thank you.
Awesome job, everyone.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Hey.
Good night. Good night. Take care.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Y'all can hear me from up here?
Dominic, excellent. You got all the bragging rights. All the
Good night.
bragging rights is yours. Take care.
Thank you.
Take care. Y'all take care. All right, let me end the meeting.